sibonile MK ingena emafemini ikhipha abantu bokufika abala illegal labantu esizama illegal immigrants kusho ukuthini lo
angina comment kulokho
yes sir
yes sir angina comment ngakingekho lapho angina comment
lathina fanele sizwe ngani ukuthi thina ama-foreigner nibafuni kodwa nabo Duduzile inzalo yama-foreign benoduduzane bala eSouth Africa anikaze nisho ngani abahambe babuyele emakubo bona nikhuluma ngendaba yoTraore uTraore wakuphi nazi nina ngokuhlangana kwezwe ngoba uTraore wangaphandle yini nize nifake izithombe zakhe nithi niyamthanda nibe nithi animfuni umuntu wangaphandle yini enimele kahle kahle stand sensitive.
Greetings to everyone. In this video, we are asking one question. Is MKP leadership clueless on what it has to do about African foreigners, both legal and illegal in this country? Please like, subscribe, and comment. Fellow South Africans, a lady called Duduzile Zuma, her mother is a Mozambican. A guy called Duduzane, her mother is a Mozambican. A president or a leader called Ibrahim Traore is a foreigner. Now, this concept quer do not only apply to Africans who are illegal. Any African that is not a South African is called by that decoratory name quer. It means whether you are legal or illegal in South Africa, as long as you are not a South African, you are a quer. Now, people come praising how good is Ibrahim Traore and all. Does Ibrahim Traore feel so fond and good about them by seeing him as a quer, of which at the end of the day is a promotion of hatred against fellow Africans, when doing nothing against the settlers that have stolen the land? Purely stolen the land. You say nothing, but you spend the whole program of action on dealing with Africans, but you say you love Ibrahim Traore. Can it happen that MKP, Jacob Zuma, will run a program calling Africans quer in his party and then include or exclude his own children? How does it work? Even if anybody can come up and say, yes, but they deal with illegal foreigners, we know the MKP leaders have shown up live saying this Xhosas, we are going to remove them from our area when we take over. You understand? We know it's big. We know that we are South Africans. We know what tribalism does. But this is what is going to happen. And it's going to happen with all the other political parties. They are going to take the votes, steal the votes by saying nothing. Just as Kanyile said, he's a leader, a senior leader that must give direction. But he doesn't know where his party stand. He doesn't know. You know, the right and the left doesn't know where the other is standing or facing. That is the danger of taking people and use them for your personal need. All of them, except EFF. EFF must choose principle over votes of people that are directionless. South African people are desperate, they are jobless, they are hungry. Anything you tell them that might bring them good feeling, they are going to follow it. Now you come and then not be in full indirection about where you stand. Then take their votes, and then after that, after the elections, all of them will come up and say, yeah, we did have a look at this thing of illegal foreigners. I think let us consider maybe doing like Botswana. Botswana have given the Zimbabwean documents, and as a result they are able to trace them. We have seen we are not going to be able to send these Africans away, because if we send them they still come back. They will be sitting with their votes. They are going to do what EFF is saying now, but by that time they will have taken the votes, and then the voters will come up and say, yeah, all the political parties are the same. But EFF will be able to say, accept us. We knew all along that we will not be able to send these Africans away. It is a lot of money, and it's going to take a long time to build the borders and everything. In order for them not to be criminal in South Africa, let us give them documents like Botswana has done. We can trace them and know where they are. And then later on, we come on with a medium plan and long-term plan. No, people are just happy. Can you imagine? Gondokwana is the Minister of Finance. He doesn't say we are going to give Home Affairs so much money to do this on the border. He just say no. No, these people must go. How are you going to do that? And when are you going to do? So people are just excited. So all over again, their votes are going to be taken. Their votes are going to be taken, and there is nothing that the people can be able to do. So I want to know, is the MK position saying Duduzile Zuma is a KWEREKWERE? Duduzane Zuma is a KWEREKWERE. Ibrahim Traore is a KWEREKWERE. It has come home to roost. Hypocrisy have the time for the end. Have a good day.